Okay, I just got this package from Amazon yesterday, and these are my TIC GS3 outdoor speakers, and it's a huge box here, so I'll put these down. Hopefully you can see this, but I don't know what to expect. I researched this pretty good. I got these over the Bose because they were a third of the price. Comes, let's see, here they are. They look like nice. Two of them, nice packaging. Okay. Alright. These are, I believe, the 8-inch woofers. They go for $72 installed. I mean, shipped to your house from Amazon. Hard plastic. Pretty nice big speakers. I'm very impressed. I'm going to dig out a hole in the backyard. He's going to go on my patio. Hard plastic. Comes with, I don't know, 10 feet of cable maybe. Hard plastic. That's not really all that strong over there, but weather resistance. And I'm going to put them in tomorrow and see how they are. I believe you dig a hole about this big up to about here, and I'm going to have ivy go over the top of it. Looks like there's a couple little scratches here, but these are made by TIC. I believe I'll open this one up too. They're a lot bigger than I thought. This is, see, that's how they look. They're going to go in there. And again, speaker. I'm not going to really open them up, but I believe there's a subwoofer in here. Looks like there's foam rubber here. And the sound resonates from up here, it goes down. I'm going to give these a try for $144. Pretty good. They look good. I'll let you know. Okay, here's my patio. And I mapped out where I want to put the speakers, and I dug a hole right here. I had to get the ivy out of there, and that's where I'm going to have it. Got to move those flower pots. Then if you come over here, this is probably where I'm going to have it. It's a bunch of ivy right now. I'm going to dig a hole there, and then the outlets for the speakers will go in through there.
Proposition when you realize sunshine.